So where are we going? Well, we are going up. You see the clock. We'll go to the left at some point and we'll climb the stairs and we'll try to get to the Kusadasi sign, our Hollywood sign of Kuşadası.
Okay, let's take these stairs here.
Okay.
Hold my hand.
Wait, so I'll show them which stairs we'll be taking. So there's this fancy villa that I will buy someday called Villa Dana. If you're the owner, look out for me, I'm coming. And here are the stairs going up. And that's what we will use right now. Just look left and right. And then we'll climb these ones and hope for the best that the gate is not closed up there.
I think there is no gate there.
Alright. I feel like we'll be quite out of breath by the time we get there.
You can remove the mask a little bit here. There's no people. I like these stones everywhere here. This guy made it here, the stairs, but also other people using to going up.
So
Like, I never see someone stayed here or stayed, I don't know.
I saw one time some lady.
Really?
Yeah, elderly lady. And so I was thinking maybe it's his mother. So yeah, if you know who owns Villa Dana, DM me.
Pool and security camera.
Yeah.
Let's run away.
I don't think it's private stairs.
Nice view, that corner.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
I can have shack here, baby, here.
Where?
Here,
Yeah.
in the bush.
You will slide down in the
Some
earthquake.
shack. You know the fishing shacks on ice? Something like that.
Yeah, like Canadian fishing
I
shacks.
can stay here.
I'm getting out of breath a little bit. Is it the end yet?
Okay, now you know why this is the wrong way.
Why?
Because we cannot go that way.
No, we go up and left, remember?
Hopefully. Let's see.
Hopefully. So left is the mayor's house, right?
Yeah, this is mayor house. No camera allowed.
Ah, okay.
Oh, they have swimming pool here. Interesting design.
Oh, I was laughing because I thought just this is a roof. It's actual roof, baby. It's not a swimming pool.
I think you know what happened. The gutter got blocked. The hole in the gutter hole. Water doesn't go right now.
Looks like seamless swimming pool.
Yeah.
You know these endless ones with the sea view. It's just the roof.
Oh, if you don't release it on time, it will go down. You know.
Oh.
Not gonna be pleasant.
All right, let's keep going up. So these are nice apartments to live at.
If someone asks us what you guys recording, we are emlakçı.
Yeah.
Like real estate.
We are kind of
So they will
promoting.
be okay, all the real estate guys with camera, you know?
Yeah, now it became a fashion. At first one guy started doing it, like recording the, making drone videos and showing where the houses are. If you watch on YouTube, there are a lot of Kuşadası real estate videos. So for those of you watching on Facebook, go over to YouTube and
Yes.
subscribe to our channel.
Please.
See you in Kuşadası. Why you should do that? Because it's very nice to watch on your TV, big screen. Enjoy the walks that we do once a week. We will have a regular schedule later, not yet.
So you're saying from here we go?
Yeah, left we go. Wait,
From here?
no, more up. Yeah, we go these stairs up.
Oh.
Here. We'll see. There's a little road there.
Yeah, we've been there before.
Yeah, so I remember. So now you guys know. This is the secret beginning of the entry. Nice
Last time
picture.
we came here was after rain.
Yeah. So just don't slide down the hill. Okay, baby?
No, I'm okay. Just come.
Okay, coming. Yeah, it's not an easy climb. It's a hike. You're breathing so heavily, sweetheart.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit. I have to give a break then. It's gonna be fun for them.
Yeah, if there would be cruise ships right now, that would be a beautiful picture. So, you the one watching, have you climbed here before? Have you done this little walk to the Kuşadası Sign? It's an adventure. You should do it next time. It's not like every tourist will do it.
Oh, come here is clear. I think every day someone walks here.
Probably. Because it's very walked. The grass is down. Oh, don't fall down, please.
Oh, we are almost Kuşadası Sign.
Where? Oh yeah. Oh wait, it's a little bit edgy for me here. I have to slow down. Just a minute. Okay, I made it. Almost there. The view will be beautiful. Okay.
Okay, there is one hole there. Be careful, guys. Show the hole.
Be careful.
What the heck? This is historical, you know?
This is Kuşadası Wildlife Exploration Channel.
This is historical hole here.
Oh, some cat lives there. Oh, Kuşadası Sign almost there. But I know the big.
It looks close, but when you climb, it's not close.
The climb is gonna be big. Yeah. There is very nice.
You know, they just built that houses here, these two. What do you think?
Oh. Huh? Oh.
These two houses just built it.
Maybe just renovated.
No, they built it.
You think?
There was old houses, they broke down, built new ones.
Okay.
One more hole here, look.
Okay, I'm just like being super careful right now.
Oops.
Careful, baby. Why?
You see that one?
Oh, I want this house.
That too is this one for sale. This white one.
Mm.
I saw the sign.
You know, I'll put my office in the top. That will be so nice.
Yeah. And you can bring your car until the end.
I'm not sure how good is the neighborhood though.
It's okay, you know. Only the problem with the car coming here is a little bit hard. This road goes very far to come here, not connection to the seaside. That's the thing.
You know, guys, for those who don't know, to be honest, this area is a little bit lower cost. Because it used to be like illegal houses around behind the Kuşadası Sign on the other side. And then eventually they legalized them, but they still have a
there is one
lower
old
value.
one there, middle one. Eventually they will do same height like this guy.
Yeah.
I like these ones, you know, but the road, how we get to here?
At some point last year I was climbing this. I was climbing these stairs just for fun.
This one's such a window design they made.
So we are here, we have to climb right here.
No, last time?
Last time we climbed a little bit and then on the left we passed.
This side?
Yeah, we started here.
Okay.
And then we are gonna go, maybe cross these rocks and go to the left. Okay.
Let me climb on this first.
You're my model.
Oops.
Show your exercisable body.
Yeah. Oh, for sale. Look at the sign.
What? What's for sale?
This land.
The land here for sale?
Oh my god.
I don't know if I want it. It's very tall climb.
I will build here only one floor house.
Help me. Not me. Yeah. So who's gonna climb here? Put a comment. I wanna see the brave of you.
Let me go first.
Okay. Who is gonna do it? Baby, don't leave me. Give me a hand. Take my hand, please. What
I
is
found something.
What?
Buffalo original. Some looky.
How
Let's
old is
open.
this? No! Maybe it's from the virus days. This is the virus. The beginnings of it. Don't lick it. Why are you doing
Smells like
dangerous
nothing.
stuff? Don't taste it also.
Smells like licorice, but lose all the value, everything. Let's put it back where I took it.
Okay, where was it?
Here.
Perfect spot. Alright, let's get to the sign. Look, I see here a nice way. Sorry, I'm gonna leave you. I'm going alone. I'm just gonna go around. Edith says I'll go by the car park. Rob would maybe climb. Lockdown weight you can lose while climbing, Rob. That's the best way.
Okay, we go right next to it, yeah?
Yeah, we go behind it, okay?
Very behind you cannot get, I think.
Remember
next
I was
to it.
sitting there?
You can climb, yeah? You need help?
It was like stairs here. It's fine. Oh my god. Well, the view is awesome. That is very nice. Belinda says would not climb either. Any takers yet? Any takers? Who would climb here on the next visit to Kuşadası?
And take picture
Take a picture.
and post on our page.
Yeah. Oh. It's tiring, but worth it. You feel like you achieved something in life.
Nice joke. Big achievements.
Some of this carpet. If you're tired, you can always lay down on.
Like, I am wondering, you know, these pieces of rocks here, like how many million years they are staying here not falling down, you think? These ones.
Maybe 20?
Million years.
No, 20 years.
How much years, you know? Nobody pushed them down. You think?
And now you did.
How long they can stand there?
I think any stronger wind will push them.
No, baby, they'll stay here forever. Nobody push.
I know when it was last time pushed. When they were building Kusadasi Sign. And the guys were going for lunch. Climbing these rocks every day. Wow.
There is one more upper to go really back.
We have to go really back, sweetheart. That's the goal of the video. Oh my goodness. Just for the guys watching, the whole video is like us breathing heavily. But look at the beautiful water.
Oh, okay. All right.
Hey, don't push me down.
Okay.
You almost. Oh, Della says I'd love to. Lillian says I am in. Well, there are gonna be some climbers. That's awesome. Very good. Now you know the way. It's not that bad and it's adventurous, and you can take awesome
One more
Instagram shot.
We're getting one up, there is one more up after that. Endless. Oh, okay. Here. All right.
And then I'll show you the picture that you can have for your Instagram. Look.
Ooh.
So look to the view, baby. You only see the sign, but Instagram people will think it's beautiful. That's nice. Oh,
You see how much big mountains after city?
yeah. It's nice, yeah? Very, very beautiful.
Such a view, by God.
Don't yawn, you're gonna fall asleep here?
I feel tired now.
Oh, it was worth it. Micheline says you're scaring me, guys. Well, it was quite steep, but it wasn't that bad. It was worth it. And I am holding a camera equipment on one hand.
They feel the wind in the microphones, you think?
I think very, very little because of the wind.
It's windy.
Yeah, wind protection we have. Can you guys hear the wind? Yeah, I can hear a little bit. Yeah, I can
Be
hear it.
careful there.
Give me the hand. I
Oops.
almost fell down over there. So,
Now we measure how big
Can you
the
sit
eye here.
can you sit here on this edge?
So I am like
Careful, baby.
this eye 3 times bigger than me. Eye. Yeah? When I stand, 3 times me, only the
Yeah.
eye.
The width?
The width, yes. 2 times of me. If I stand, maybe 2.5,
Yeah.
3 times. tall.
Valerie says, well done guys, I'm exhausting watching you climb. Yeah. It was worth it for you to see this. For you to see your beautiful Kuşadası. And just remember where you walked all the way along the shoreline. All the way over there, behind Kuşadası, next to the city beach, along next to the hand statue with the pigeons, all the way up to the marina beach. And then you turn around at the marina and go back. That's what people usually do. I was always wondering, like, where are we going? But they just walk all the way to the marina, turn around and go back. So it's just a walk that many visitors love to take. Sweetheart?
You don't want to go up? Okay. You know, I see right now 65 people watch, 55 people watching. If all of them subscribe to channel, we're gonna jump, 55 people more in YouTube.
Yeah.
That would be awesome.
Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube. We are becoming YouTubers from now on. Yeah.
That's why videos are horizontal right now, not vertical.
Yeah, because we are planning to just cut the video on sides, make it square so that it fits all the social media channels, but our primary channel will become YouTube.
Okay.
So yeah, we love you.
See you next video.
See you in Kuşadası.
Bye.
Bye now.